Love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here.
Me and my doggy. Hey St. Wayne, show the people your face. Say hello. Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another headband wig tutorial. I am super excited. Like I told you guys, I am so on this headband trend right now. Like, it is so quick, it is so easy, girl. Like, seriously, I can just throw on a go. I'm the type of person where I like to like switch up my hair all the time, so this is like really perfect for me to do so. These headband wigs remind me of like half wigs, you know, back in the day, but it's just with a headband, you know what I mean? It just gives your hair a little bit of a break whenever it comes to lace frontals, closures, and things like that. And also, like, if you really wanted to wear this as a all over type of style, like you didn't want like any of your edges or anything like that showing, you can most definitely do that, so you can preserve your edges while you're doing so. Because with a headband wig, there's no lace, there's no glue, so you don't have to worry about your edges going away. Okay, this hair is like legit gorgeous. It is a curly Brazilian headband wig from Nadula Hair, and thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video for your girl. Okay, you can definitely do a lot of different styles with this headband wig. All of the links will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out for any promotions or the direct link to this hair. And if you are new here, I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, majority fashion. So if you like what you see, my personality, my vibe, or whatever it says, don't be shy. Make sure you click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. It just notifies you each and every time I upload a video, sis. And also don't forget to follow me at iDESIGN8 on Instagram so you can catch all of my fashion posts and life updates over there. But yes, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright, you guys, I am back with another headband wig. Like, you guys, I promise you, I am like so on this trend right now because it's so easy. Literally, you could just put on and go, sis. It literally does not require any extra work. So yes, as I mentioned, this headband wig that I'm showing you today is from Nadula Hair. Here are all the headbands that they sent. So we have this really pretty, I don't know if you can see, let it focus, baby. Very much queen status. We have this headband right here, this headband right here, this black one right here, which I can definitely see me getting a lot of use out of this. This pretty silk headband right here, it has some flowers on it. Oh, I love this. And then this headband right here, which has like some cherries on it, super cute. And they also send a wig cap here. So here is the hair, but look at this hair, it is so beautiful. Yes ma'am. And this is just straight out the pack. I haven't washed it or anything like that. I just kind of want to show you guys like what you can do with the hair without even like washing it or doing any manipulation to it. I'm not trying to run my fingers or anything like that through it because it is curly hair. This is the Nadula curly headband Brazilian hair. As you can see, it has a little headband right here, it has a comb right here, and then it also has another comb here at the bottom, and then it does have adjustable straps. I don't know if you can see right along this edge right here. I really like that the headband has this velcro right here because you can adjust it literally to your head size, so it's definitely going to fit your head, sis, no matter how big or small it is. And I feel like I got a big head. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this back to show those edges. This texture is so pretty, you guys. I got 24 inches. I like to start the headband like a little bit closer to my edges.
I don't want you to have anyone, and if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone.
And then I'm going to just take a little scrunchie and just pull the hair out of the way. And I'm just gonna take like a little clip like this and just clip it up. And then I'm going to take this portion. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm literally just going to fasten it together. And let's like, wow, so let's get into this texture. It is so beautiful. Like, I promise you guys, like, you will not be disappointed with these headband wigs. They are so easy. You don't have to worry about dealing with lace, glue, cutting, customizing, or anything like that. What I like to do is just pull it all the way back, and then I like to pull the sides up just a little bit. The hair is a little bit frizzy, so I'm just gonna take some foaming lotion and literally just take a little bit and just kind of like smooth it down just a little bit. Like, I don't want this wet look. I still want this very, like, you know, voluptuous look. This is really pretty.
Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase.
Like, look at this texture.
So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart.
So let's just try a few of these headbands out.
It was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting.
And keep in mind, you guys, like, I am styling this hair, but it's just really quick styles. If you take the time to style the hair, it will look very much like polished. I'm just doing something really quick.
I lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it.
Yes.
I'm delusional.
Also, as you seen earlier, I did pull the band back, but you don't have to pull it back that far. You can also start it up a little bit more if you just want to preserve a little bit more of your hair. So it's completely up to you, sis. But yes, like, this is like one of my favorite. My favorite looks or whatever. I love some curly hair, sis. Okay.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll, I've been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, that should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real. Lately I've been low down, losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the year, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve. See you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this. Why you in a rush? Know you got no business leaving. Why you always leaving? Know you want that repeat. Yeah, it ain't no way around it. We got a danger about us. You got your way about you, not much to say about it. Still have your way around me. They say we're something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head. Know when you're ready, I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know.
super cute. This is it, sis, baby. Alright, Design Squad, so that completes this video. Leave me comments down below, let me know your thoughts and opinions. How would you wear this headband wig? What was your favorite style on me? Do you have a headband wig? Are you on the headband wig trend? Is it a yes or is it a nay for you, sis? Like, let's just talk down in the comments, let me know, or whatever. I really appreciate you so much for watching these videos. I know it's a little bit different from my normal content, but don't worry, I still got the fashion coming, I got the beauty coming, I got the lifestyle coming, okay? So I'm really trying to be like well-rounded, okay, on my channel. Don't know how much I appreciate you guys like really taking the time out to just watch my videos. It really means a lot, I promise you. But thank you again for watching. I will see you in my next video.